friends, today I'm going to talk about this plant which is called wishbone flower plant. This is actually an annual plant, grown as an annual, means its life will be for 1 year or less than 1 year, and it will bloom intensely. So many flowers it will give. And the main thing is this plant, first of all, the name of it is wishbone flower plant. You can see the flower is having a lavender color with purple shade here. Outer edges it is purple, dark purple, inside it is lavender with yellow throat, you can see. And why the flower is called wishbone flower? Because you can see here inside the stamens over there. See the stamens, they are wishbone shape, they are bending like this. Okay, you can see white colors, stalks and the stamens. Okay, because of that these are called wishbone flowers. And what is the nature? We'll talk today about this plant completely, what care we need to take, how can we grow them, and what kind of soil we need, and where we need to place this. Actually, I told you before, this is an annual plant. It needs a bit of shade. It doesn't need much sun. Morning sun is okay, but it needs shade in the afternoon. I placed it in a shady place. Even though I placed it in a shady place, it is blooming very nicely. You can see so many flowers are there. This plant will grow till 1 foot height in general. This is a shrub, we can say. We pinch it while growing. If we pinch it, it will give side branches and will grow as a shrub. And coming to the soil of it, actually what I do generally, plants might not, this plant will be small for this big size grow bag, so I don't remove it from the pot and place it here, because maybe the inside moisture content will be more and the plant may not survive. So in that case, when I buy from a nursery, I'll keep the pot over this and water it, and within days it will develop roots, and those roots will go into this grow bag soil. So okay, coming to the soil, what kind of soil we need to keep? It needs a fertile soil, and also it needs moist soil which is loose. To make the soil loose, we can use coco peat and garden soil and some compost. Okay, and this plant needs regular watering and deadheading. If we can do deadheading, or without doing also nothing will happen. To increase blooms, we can deadhead the spent flowers like this. Okay, next, coming to the fertilizer. Generally flowering plants, most of the flowering plants need phosphorus for more blooms. This plant also the same, it needs more phosphorus content in the fertilizer. As you know already, I have made a kitchen waste fertilizer. You can give that fertilizer to this plant, it will give more blooms. I have started giving this and it is showing so many blooms, you can see here. And the other thing is, it is carefree plant because we can grow it, we don't need to care it much, and there is very not much pest attack will be there on this plant. Okay, and gives more blooms. We can keep it in a shady area. We can give fertilizer twice in a month is more than enough for this plant. Fertilizer which has more phosphorus should be given to this plant. Okay, this will be a shrub only, it won't grow so big. Okay, soil, we have to water it, and shade. These two things are very important for this plant. Too much of heat might kill the plant. So we need to keep this plant in shade. We have an advantage. Generally plants won't give flowers in shade places, so this plant is different. This plant needs shade. It shows up well in shady area. Okay, this is what pest attack won't be there. Spent flowers, if you break them, if you cut them, you'll get new branches and new flowers. Generally there will be so many colors in this: pink, blue, this is lavender one. The name of this plant, I told you, you can search it, because even I couldn't find it. I found it after so many days. I was searching for this plant name. I got to know it has some scientific name is there, but don't be so complicated. Let's not be so complicated. Let us call it wishbone flower plant, and that's good. Because of these stamens there, you can see they are bowing like that in the shape of wishbone, so we call the plant wishbone flower plant. This is an annual plant. Hope you got all the information about this plant. And another thing, we can grow this plant from seeds easily. The seeds need light for germination, so we need to spread the seeds over moist soil and keep them moist. Keep them in some indirect sunlight, and let us see, we can get the seedlings easily. Hope you enjoyed, friends. Bye.